Olutalo lwa Somalia ne Uganda lubaluseewo mu ggwanga lyaffe erya Uganda. Oluvannyuma Omunnayuganda okuvayo ne yeemulugunya ku mpisa z'Abasomaliya abali mu ggwanga lyaffe erya Uganda. Kino nno nga kiddiridde mu mwezi guno gwe tulimu ogwa Ramadhan. Abasomali okuggyayo empisa zaabwe enkyafu eziragira ddala nti nno tebaagala Bannayuganda era baabakoowa. Mu kino ensonga yaabwe Abasomali gye bawadde kwe kuba nti Abannayuganda tebanaaba. Abannayuganda tebasenya, Abannayuganda tebeekuba perfume n'ebintuntu ebirala. Tugenda wuliriza akatambi kano akaavuddeko ensasage, akaavuddeko olutalo luno nga we tuteekembe nnyo. Olutalo luno luyinza okugendera ddala paka mu palamenti yaffe y'eggwanga erya Uganda. Abannayuganda tugambe nti babadde basirise ebbanga erimala era nga basirise babadde bakooyedde ddala. Abannayuganda baggyeyo obusungu ne batuuka ne bagamba hello Somalis, ife twabakoowa dda. If you cannot bear with us, mukwate kubo muddeyo mu nsi yammwe teri yabayita. Go back mugende mu nsi yammwe ffe mutuviire twabakoowa dda naffe ensi gye tulina tetumala ate nammwe mujja mututuulirira. Tugenda kuwulira ku bigambo ebimu ebiri mu katambi kano akaavuddeko ensasage ate era tubere nga tweyongerayo. Well, yenze Sheila Adita, go wenna tanaba kubanga subscribinga ku YouTube channel yange. You're missing a lot of stories, a lot of information. Jangu obere nga otwegattako by subscribing, kwata ku notification bell nga buli video yonna gye nkuteerayo ekutuukako bulungi nnyo gwe ngeya subscribinga. Commentinga tumanye endowooza yo gwe ng'omuntu alaba obutambinga buno. Obutambinga bwe buti obulowoozaako ki? Tumanye endowooza ye, endowooza yeeyo nkulu nnyo esobola okuyambako omuntu omulala. For those ones watching me from Facebook, imbagala nnyo, abali ku TikTok imbagala nnyo, Instagram inkubirako, Snapchat inkubirako, inja kuba nkukwata. Katugendeko mu katambi ate era tubere nga tukomawo.
My Somali sisters, please watch this video, especially if you're in Uganda. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Who told you Somalis that you are very different from us? Why is it that you people, when you come to the mosque to pray, you separate yourselves from the rest that you found at the mosque, inside the masjid? You find your friends have already made a line somewhere, and you separate yourselves in a cocoon of 3-4 people, and you stand alone. Is that Islamic? How exceptional are you? Is your blood green? Is your urine like cooking oil? I'm sorry to mention, but I am very pissed. Why is it that you people, okay, carrying your own prayer mats is okay, but why do you have to separate yourself from the rest of the congregation that you've already got in the mosque? You people are not behaving like Muslims. I don't know what is wrong with us Somali sisters. You think you're different? Is it because of your color or texture or anything? You people, you have to behave, especially if you're a visitor somewhere, okay? And we are Muslims. What your sisters are doing is not nice at all. I don't know if this is how you behave in all countries, but in Uganda, we don't like the way you're behaving. Thank you.
Ako nno ke katambi nga kavudde mu mwana muwala Fatima ku mukutu ogwa TikTok kwe yatadde akatambi ako ne katambula okubuna ensi zonna. Kati nno akatambi ako tekalese bantu kyekimu kubanga abantu bangi bavuddeyo ne bawa comment ku katambi nga bwe kati era nga abantu bangi bavuddeyo ne bawa amagezi ku nsonga ezigenda mu maaso era nga kuno Abannayuganda bakatiriza ne bagamba these people don't like us. Abantu bano tebatwagala ne we are wondering one thing. Why of all countries basalawo kujja kubeera nga basetolinga in Uganda? Why couldn't they go to Nigeria? Why couldn't they go to Kenya? Why couldn't they go to Kigali, Rwanda? Oba why did not they go munsi endala ezitwetoolodde? Why did they decide to come and settle in Uganda? Lwaki batumalako emirembe? Era nga Abannayuganda basimbye ekkuli ne bagamba if these people cannot change, if these people cannot change, bajja kukijjamu enjawulo. Nti bo Abannayuganda they are not ready to take this kind of behavior era they are not ready to tolerate this kind of nonsense. Tugenda gendako mu butambi bw'abana Uganda nga bawa comment ku katambi kaneeno kasakulatinze ku mikutu gya social media ate era tukomewo tubeere nga nammwe tuwuliriza endowooza zammwe nga mmwe abalabye akatambi kano. Katukomewo.
To my Muslim sisters, the Somalis, my Muslim Somali sisters in Uganda, you were complaining about Fatima's video that the reason why you don't top up or add up legs with your Muslim Ugandan sisters is because the Muslim Ugandan sisters smell. Darling, them using cheap perfumes, my Muslim sisters, maybe they use cheap perfumes more than yours. You people may be using expensive perfumes. But let me remind you this. You people, you smell. I'm not attacking you, but I'm telling you the truth. You people, my Somali sisters, you smell. Who smells more than Somali sisters? Not only Somali sisters. You only take perfumes on, you only take your perfumes on Fridays. You only take perfumes when you're coming for prayers because you know you are not going to bathe. You take perfumes because you don't bathe. So, because you take perfumes and you come to the masjid when you're smelling nice, you people, you think, or you want us to think that you bathe, but you don't bathe. Somali sisters, you don't bathe. You bathe once. Mostly those people who stay in Chisenyi. Simanya Chisenyi, where is it? It's called where that side up, that side where you always stay. Okay, where are you migrated from? You know the place where you migrated from. My Somali sisters. Who is dirtier than you people? Musulamu ghetto, because in Chimani you even understand Luganda. You people, my Somali sisters, you stay in the ghetto when you compare to my Muslim sisters. They may be using cheap perfumes that they don't smell more than you may expect, or they don't smell how you people expect. But those Muslim sisters of mine, they bathe. When they are coming for Salah, they only not take ablution. You people, you only take ablution, my Somali sisters. We used to study with Somali sisters, where I used to study from. You people, you used not to bathe. It's very, very hard to find not only even Somali sisters, foreigners. Few foreigners bathe, by the way. Even here where I'm staying, it's very hard to find. My Muslim sisters who are working as housemates in houses where I'm staying in this country, tell me, be real, do those people really bathe? Just because we are blacks. So you people, you come out and you say we are smelling because we are blacks. And you think because of our black skin, you think our black skin is dirty. We are clean more than you guys out there. By the way, a reminder for us, when we are coming to the masjid, we make sure we have bathed. We make sure we have taken a full ablution. But you people, you only take your ablution and you put on your gaderas and you come to the masjid. You spray yourself perfume. Some of you even don't spray yourself perfumes, and you're always spitting. Is that cleanness? Are you supposed to do that in public? Are you supposed to do that? Are you supposed to do that in masjid? Are you hearing us when we are near? You are hearing us doing that? Spitting every time, everywhere in public, where you will not even where people are passing. Then you come out and you start shouting that Muslim sisters, the reason why you don't add up or top up legs with them is because they are smelling. You are just having bad manners. You are just having bad behaviors, my Somali sisters. My Muslim Somali sisters, you just have bad hearts. Your hearts are very bad. They're not even clean. You're just praying for nothing. You're not even supposed to come to the masjid to pray. Why do you come to the masjid to pray when you know that you're going to segregate others? Why do you even do sadaq? Why even go to Ijja or to make Aji, or you go to Medina to Mecca when your heart is not yet even clean? Why do you even wake up and start asking Allah for forgiveness when your heart is not even forgiving? You people, you are bad. So when it comes to this point that you are shouting out that Muslim sisters, they are smelling, the reason why we don't come near them or we don't pray with them, they are smelling. You smell more than us. Let me remind you, Muslim sisters, my Somali Muslim sisters, you smell more than us. You don't bathe. You don't bathe. You stay in the ghetto. You stay in the ghettos of Uganda. You stay in the ghettos of Kampala, the most dirtier places. Where you are staying, the sewages are always even passing around your heads, where you put your heads when you are sleeping. Bomba clat.
Ebyo nno bye bivudde side eno gye tuli mu ggwanga lyaffe erya Uganda. Abanna-Uganda ndowooza mubategedde nti nabo bakambo. What I love about my country, what I love about my people in Uganda or from Uganda. People from Uganda, we are so peaceful. We love people. We like people. We love to associate with other people. But one thing I'm not sure of, and one thing that makes me wonder, makes my day hectic, is that why don't people like us? Lwaki abantu they don't like Ugandans? Why? We embrace them. We give them a place to stay. We give them food. We give them love. But instead they bring us hate. Ekintu ekyo sikitegeera lwaki? Is it that Ugandans love too much? Or is it that Ugandans trust too much? Is it that Ugandans forget to love themselves and then spread the love to other people? What is it? What could be the problem? Gwaliayo olowooza ye government, should government enter into this kind of saga? Eberenga emanya ensonga and what Ugandans think about other people or about migrants that come and settle in Uganda without Ugandans okubanga bababuuziza obanga babeebuuzizaako. I think it would have been better for the government to ask Ugandans their point of view of other people to come and settle in Uganda. Oyinza okwesanga nga naffe Ugandans, we don't like it. We don't like other people to come and settle in our country. We don't like to, other people to come and occupy our place, take our lands, eat our food, take all the jobs and leave us jobless. Kati katulowoozeeko kweno ensonga. Ngaffe abali mu kulaba akatambi kano nga tuyambisa comment section ngenda kubeerayo nga nnize comment yo egenda kuba nnungi nnyo erina kyegenda okuyamba ku video eno ate era imbagala nnyo. See you in my next video.